Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Capricorn, I think you're in that mode na parang give up mode ka na. And although yes, it will take out a lot of pain from you, a lot of stress from you, but there's that hanging, there's that guilt na if iniwan mo ang isang project na to or a certain situation, pag iniwan mo, there might be regret, there might be guilt. So I think kailangan mo lang to take a step back, assess the situation, then balikan mo siya. Huwag ka muna mag-give up. Medyo mahirap mag-quit dito sa situation na to. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.